Hi, welcome to TunesKit. In today's video, I'm gonna show you 3 solutions for how to factory reset iPad without passcode. Method 1. Factory reset iPad without passcode by iTunes. Step 1. Connect iPad with iTunes. Step 2. Click on the little iPad icon. Step 3. Tap the Restore iPad option, and follow the on-screen instruction to unlock iPad. If your iPad have not synced with iTunes, then try the following steps to put iPad into recovery mode. Step 1. Connect your iPad to the computer. Press the top button for a few seconds until the slide to power off appears. Drag the slider to turn off iPad. Step 2. Next, keep pressing the home and top buttons simultaneously until you see the recovery mode show on the screen. Step 3. When iTunes detect your iPad, a new window will pop up and ask you to update or restore the device. Click the Restore option to restore your iPad. Method 3. Factory reset iPad without passcode by using TunesKit iPhone Unlocker. If you remember your Apple ID passcode, the iCloud could be helpful. Step 1. Launch a PC and visit iCloud.com on a web browser. Step 2. Locate Find My option after entering the Apple ID's credentials. Step 3. Find your iPad in the All Device drop-down menu. Step 4. Tap the Erase iPad option, and iCloud will help you to unlock the iPad. Method 3. Factory reset iPad without passcode by using TunesKit iPhone Unlocker. Step 1. Connect iPad with PC. And then launch TunesKit iPhone Unlocker. When iPad is detected, click on the Start button to the next step. Step 2. Put iPad into DFU mode. Just follow the detailed guide to put your iPad into DFU mode. Then click Next button to go to next step. Step 3. Download firmware package. In this step, check the information about your device, then click on the Download button to download the firmware package. Step 4. Get into your iPad. When the download is complete, click the Unlock button. TunesKit iPhone Unlocker will start to unlock iPad. That's it for today's video tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and ring the bell. Let us know what tutorials you'd like to see next in the comments below. Thanks for watching, see you next time.